Packaging development is influenced by many aspects. Number 1, function. Number 2, protection. Number 3, aesthetic or appearance. Number 4, cost. And number 5, disposability. Let's elaborate these 5 parameters to understand the packaging development. Function. 1. End-user expectations. Easy opening, minimizing product loss and visibility. 2. Packaging line efficiency. High productivity, ease of filling, and component assembly. Protection. 1. Environmental protection. Compatibility of product and packaging and addressing physical, chemical, and biological hazards. 2. Damage prevention. Mitigating risks during transportation, storage, and potential pilferage. Aesthetic appearance. 1. Brand promotion, enhancing brand and brand visibility. 2. Product identification. Clear labeling for distribution, including ingredients, disposal instructions, and legal compliance. Cost. By definition, delivering the product in good condition at the lowest overall cost. Different cost factors are packaging materials, storage and handling, quality control, production line operation, storage of filled products, distribution and insurance, sales costs. Disposability. Disposable of packaging material can be done in different ways. Some of them are 1. Recycling. Promoting sustainability through reusable materials. 2. Non-packaging applications. Repurposing materials for other uses such as construction or pallet production. These elements are crucial for creating effective packaging solutions that meet both consumer needs and business goals. Balancing functionality, protection, aesthetics, cost, and disposability can lead to innovative and sustainable packaging strategies. We can further give another type of details which give you more clear idea about the influencer on packaging. Market trends. Consumer preferences and emerging trends can dictate packaging design and materials. Sustainability. Increasing demand for eco-friendly packaging materials and design is shaping development strategies. Regulations. Compliance with local and international regulations regarding safety, labeling, and environmental impact is crucial. Brand identity. Packaging must align with a brand's image and messaging to create a cohesive consumer experience. Functionality. The packaging must protect the product, be easy to use, and sometimes offer additional features like resealability. Cost. Budget constraints can affect material choices, design complexity, and production methods. Distribution and logistics. Considerations for shipping, storage, and shelf space can influence design and material selection. Consumer behavior. Understanding how consumers interact with packaging, including aspects like ease of opening and convenience, is vital. Technology. Advances in printing, materials science, and smart packaging technology can open new avenues for innovation. Cultural factors. Different markets may have varying cultural perceptions and expectations regarding packaging. Each of these factors plays a role in how packaging is conceptualized, designed, and produced, making it a multifaceted aspect of product development.